Hello everyone, welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to share Typeform results. If you've ever found yourself struggling to share the results of your Typeform surveys efficiently, you're not alone. Many users are eager to present their data in a way that's not only visually appealing, but also easy to access and share with others. Whether you want to provide access to a beautifully crafted report, send responses directly to colleagues or clients, or even automate your sharing workflows, you've come to the right place. Here at PMN Online, we're here to make this process simple and straightforward for you. Let's kick things off with one of the easiest and most effective methods to share your Typeform results: creating an interactive report. Typeform has a fantastic feature that allows you to generate a stylish and professional-looking responses report. Here's how you can do it. First, you'll want to open up your specific form from your workspace. Once you have your form in front of you, head over to the Results panel. This is where all the magic starts to happen. Look for the Summary tab and give it a click. This tab is your gateway to generating a report. When you click on the option to generate a report, a preview screen will pop up, showing you exactly what your report will look like. Now, this is where you get to customize and tailor the report to fit your needs. Typeform provides a handy feature called Show or Hide Questions, which allows you to selectively include only those questions you are interested in sharing. For instance, if your form includes open-ended questions like short text responses, email fields, or even video responses, you can easily toggle on the option to show these open-ended answers. This way, your report can focus on the most relevant data, making it especially useful for your audience. To ensure that your report is visually appealing, Typeform gives you the option to apply a theme. Choose a theme that resonates with your brand or the message you aim to convey. Additionally, consider adding a cover image to your report. It's recommended to use an image with dimensions of 1920 by 500 pixels to achieve the best visual effect. And don't forget about the logo. Uploading one that's up to 2 megabytes in size can significantly enhance the professional appearance of your report. One crucial aspect of sharing your report is setting the visibility settings. Here, the access toggle becomes incredibly important. You have the power to enable or disable the link, which essentially controls who can access the report. Disabling the link keeps the report private and restricts public access, ensuring that only those with explicit access can view it. Once you've customized your report to your heart's content, it's time to share it. Simply click on the copy button to get the URL. Then share this generated URL with your intended audience. A neat tip here is that anyone with this link will be able to view the report even from their mobile devices, ensuring ease of access and flexibility no matter where they are. And one more thing, if your Typeform account is set up with a custom domain, the report link will include this domain. This can add a personal touch or branding element to your shared content, making your results presentation even more impressive. By carefully packaging your results and making them ready for your audience, you can communicate your findings in a way that's both impressive and efficient. Happy sharing from all of us here at PMN Online. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to share Typeform results. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PMN Online and never miss an update.